Cabinet has approved the extension of Court of Criminal Procedure (CRPC) and Court of Civil Procedure (CPC) to all courts in Meghalaya. Briefing reporters after the Cabinet meeting on Wednesday, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma told reporters that after detailed consultation with all district councils and after clarifying their concerns, the government cleared the notification. He said the provision of the CRPC 1973 will apply to the courts in Meghalaya. The decision is in pursuance to full separation of judiciary from the executive and in exercise of the power conferred in proviso to subsection 2 of section 1 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, Act 2 of 1974.
And after clarifying all the concerns that they had, we have gone ahead today to clear the notification, and the language reads as follows. In pursuance of full separation of judiciary from the executive and in exercise of the powers conferred in proviso to subsection 2 of section 1 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, Act 2 of 1974, the Governor of Meghalaya is pleased to apply the provisions of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 to the courts in the state of Meghalaya.
The state